Hey guys, so now that I've journaled and went on my morning walk, I am going to apply a little bit of skincare to my face. I'm just gonna use a wipe to take off any residue from the skincare from the night before. And this is just a really nice way to show my skin some love for the day as I get my day started. I've been loving the Supergoop Unseen sunscreen lately. It's been my go-to. I wear it every single day. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit more on my neck and chest area because you don't want to neglect. And then last but not least, I'm going to apply the Biosense Squalane plus Marine Algae Eye Cream. Just a very short and simple morning skincare routine. So now I'm gonna show you guys how I do yoga and meditate. So let's jump straight into it. So usually I just go on my laptop and find like a guided meditation on YouTube and a yoga on YouTube. I love Boho Beautiful. I've spoken about her before many times. Yoga TX is also really, really good. I know a lot of people love Yoga with Adriene as well, so just pick one that, like, whichever yoga channel resonates with you the most. And then, yeah. I think today I'm just gonna choose a short one for the sake of filming. So I really like this one. Stress Relief Yoga. Calming flow to clear your mind. It's only like, how long is this? I think it's only like 12 minutes long. Yeah, it's 12 minutes and 52 seconds long. It's a really good one, really quick and effective. So I'm just gonna do this one, and then after we can meditate. Also, before we start our practice, I just wanna tell you guys why I meditate and do yoga. I do yoga to just relieve stress in my body and in my mind. It's a great way to relieve tension in my muscles. And a lot of times when we have a lot of tension in our muscles, it can cause pain, and it can also cause just like a foggy mind. So yeah, it's a great stress reliever. I love it. I've been doing it for years, and honestly, it never fails me. So yeah, we can also hold a lot of emotional stress in certain areas of the body. So yoga is a great way to release that emotional stress and tension in our bodies that we've been holding on to for years and years and years. And yeah, and then I meditate because, again, it's a really great stress reliever. Also, it helps you manifest what you want in life. It helps you become more focused and clear. And I really love implementing it into my daily practice. I try to do these things every single day, but sometimes it doesn't happen. But yeah, I love doing yoga and meditation.
So I want you to give yourself some time just to relax and let go.
So guys, I just finished my yoga, and as you can tell, the lighting has changed because the sun is slowly coming up. I got up pretty early today. I got up at like 6 a.m. Usually I get up around 5:45 to 6 a.m. and that seems to work best for me. But yeah, I decided to turn the light off, set the mood a little bit more for our meditation practice. Again, I just type in guided meditation, boho beautiful on YouTube. Sometimes I even like just type this in on my phone. Oh, Lavi wants to get out. actually was listening to some guided meditations today on my morning walk. I listened to her guided meditation for self-acceptance. That's a really good one that I love. And then I listened to her guided meditation for gratitude. Those are like some really, really good ones that I really love to listen to. I think we're just gonna do this one. Guided meditation for being present, day 1. It's not too long, it's only 11 minutes. So let's get started.
I am mindful in this present moment. I am mindful in this present moment.
So guys, that's basically it for my spiritual / self-care routine. I hope this really helped you guys out on your own individual journeys. In my opinion, life is such a great blessing and gift, and each of us have our own individual path on this earth, and each morning is a decision on what you want to do with your life. And this is just a great way to set some intentions for your day, for your week, for your month, and really show yourself how much you're worth. And you are worth so much, and always remember that. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.